This is the Woodford RK-22 VB vacuum breaker repair kit for the Woodford models 22 and the 22V or vertical faucets. Now, in this kit, it will include the cap, the body, the O-ring, the float assembly, and the insert. Now, on top of the cap, you will see where it says, it's kind of hard to see on the camera, it will say Woodford Model 22, and a couple certification numbers and codes on there as well. And then in the body, got this little itty bitty hole right here in the middle. And then coming down, you've got a pretty large set of male threads, just 1, 2, 3 threads in total. And your rubber O-ring, that's going to go on the base of the float when that goes into the faucet in order to create the seal around that body. And you've got your float, that red or orangish seal right here on the bottom, and up at the top you got 4 little plastic fins. And you've got a plastic insert. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each piece here in the kit, starting with the insert, and then we'll work our way up. So outer diameter at the top of the insert, we're just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And then total length, right over 1/2 of an inch. All right, and then our float, we're gonna do a total height. It's not gonna be perfect, just bottom of the fin to the top of the point. Right at 3/4 of an inch. And then outer diameter, try to get that of the seal. Right at about 5/8 of an inch. And the O-ring, see if I can get a measurement of that. Outer diameter, right at 1 inch. And then going up to the plastic body. Total length, right at 3/4 of an inch. Outer diameter at the base, right at about 1.25 inches. Then outer diameter here at the top, right at 1 inch. And then the cap itself, outer diameter of the top at about 1.1 inches. Of course, bottom side should be the same. And then total height or thickness, we're right over 1/2 of an inch. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-22 vacuum breaker repair kit.